Alright, what up y'all? It's a little bit different video for Tech 702. Today is like Hood 702 because I'm broke. I'm not buying this stuff, so I'm over here. I'm gonna give you all some hands-on, so check it out.
Tossing and turning all night.
Alright, here we are.
Now, just check the
Z Flip
Samsung
3
Health app on your watch 4
with its anti-theft tag on it.
Your breathing and snoring data.
I told you we're doing Hood 702 for this episode, but you get to see a hands-on because we all know damn well I ain't getting no demo unit, and I'm not waiting 2 weeks to pre-order one just so I can return it.
And today, we're thrilled to
So we're gonna check it out here
another
first.
incredible experience that will make your health tracking more holistic.
Hey, look, it's One UI. Same thing One UI always is, but
Body composition
I digress.
shows us what our bodies are made of.
check
Usually,
cameras.
measure
You know the lighting in
temperature,
Best Buy is always dope, right?
But now,
So
you can easily check
cameras
it
always look
anytime,
dope.
anywhere, all with 2 fingers. It's all thanks to a measuring tool called EIA.
I mean,
We've worked to
y'all
bring
know
this
it's a Sammy,
technology to your
so it is what it
smartwatch.
is.
Let's
But
take a closer look at how we can help you.
I love how small this thing is. If it didn't have this anti-jack device on it, this thing is sick, man. It hides like half a deck of cards in your hand. I'm feeling it.
Is a method of measuring body composition.
Check the screen.
It uses a weak electric
Come on, man.
current to
Don't
find the
play.
amount of
So there's a
water
little bit of
stored
hiccup here in the hinge. I never used the first flip, the Flip 2
If a person
either.
has
So
low reads, the results
like,
will indicate there is more water. Thus,
I'll accept the cookies on somebody else's phone. I don't care. So we go through like this,
why is that important?
trying to find something.
One
Sure, like
benefits of measuring body composition is that your weight doesn't reflect
keyboard's pretty much the same reaction you would normally get. Let's go to the app drawer. Run up in here. We got a game. I don't know. I don't play games on phones, man. So I just kind of want to see the refresh rate.
Samsung has been working
Color
to
looks
make
good as hell. It's a
EIA technology
Samsung
more
screen, so
accessible.
of course color gonna look good as
we wanted
hell.
to integrate it with a device that we all use every day, so more
Not
people
my
can
birthday.
regularly track
Whatever.
their health. At first,
Jesus.
we tried adding it to phone cases and wristbands. We even tried to incorporate the
So we're playing some
technology
games.
into remote controllers. But given how closely body composition is tied to
Hey,
fitness and
okay.
exercise, we realized
All
that
right.
the best device to deliver this
I'm
technology
a gangster with
is
this.
the Galaxy
I mean, it's
Watch.
responsive, but like not
Most
anything
body
noticeable.
composition analyzers have large electrodes
Nothing
that
special.
help improve accuracy
One thing I want
and
to check
reduce
is the
contact
YouTube,
impedance with the skin.
the format.
These
Oops.
devices
Sorry, I'm
use
watching for the
pulse on the
briefing.
soles
One
of
thing
our
I do want to check is the YouTube. So let me go in there.
electrodes in the Galaxy Watch. We needed to drastically reduce
I don't
the
know what all
size
this
of
is.
the electrodes without
I'm just gonna click on something. I don't even know.
Normally, the larger the electrode, the easier to get an accurate.
Man, it's so weird to see something with ads on it. It's like all
Small
ads.
electrodes on the watch.
How do you people have YouTube without premium, man?
And devise the best hardware and solution.
Okay, but you see the bars, right? That's one thing that's a little bit annoying about this. I knew it would have the bars, but I just wanted to see how big it actually went.
In 15 seconds, Galaxy Watch
Yeah.
measures electric
Z
currents
Flip 3.
2,400 times.
The hinge is nice and strong. It's got an IP rating now.
New solution analyzes how closely the
Try to
electrodes
click.
come into contact,
It's always on display to do something.
as well as the amount of impedance.
I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but
So the watch can accurately estimate
the always on display is bigger, but it's still kind of dim. I'm sure I could turn it up if I worked on it, but it is what it is. But yeah, first look,
to the side electrodes.
Z Flip 3 5G in hand,
Chromium silicon carbon nitride layer to the back of the
demo
watch.
mode, all that good stuff. But
When you wear the Galaxy Watch,
Cool.
2 electrodes on the back and receive electrical signals and measure body composition.
all right, so this is the one everybody really wants to see. Hinge. Let's check. I had a Z Fold 2.
With a correlation
The hinge feels a little bit stronger, but I don't know if that's just because it's brand new, because it ain't worn down yet, or it's actually stronger. Of course, they running all their demo stuff.
and
a home screen.
Consumers can rely on.
All right,
That's why we're partnering with institutions
so you know,
specialized in body composition analysis.
I'll pull up
Improve our solution
some random
accuracy
person's
of
YouTube.
products for body.
So again, you get the black bars when we run a landscape. I know a lot of people ain't doing this, but just so y'all can see it,
Aren't settled.
that's what it looks like. And just pads out the ass. It's like,
The Galaxy Watch gives you all
God.
the tools you need.
God, I can't do this.
Changes
But yeah, you see the black bars. We open it up for the money shot.
composition measurements fingertips. You can meet a better
There you go.
if you don't.
Try to maximize that. And there's your landscape mode. Still can't use the whole damn screen, but I mean, it's cool. That's
make informed changes.
showing you guys, showing you how it works. You got your picture-in-picture, whatnot. You can get into some other stuff. Here you can see the under display camera. You can just tell it's gonna look like crap when you see that little hole, right? But let's take a look. Like normal ass cameras, normal cameras. Nothing to write home about. It's like 2-year-old technology. And then let's throw it back. Look at that. Look at that. That haziness. That's just garbage, bro. Well, I'm not gonna use the inside camera. All right, that you don't have to, but man, that would just piss me off if I bought one. I don't know if I can do it, but everything else about it is a full 2 but improved. You got the IP rating. You got the faster screen on the front. If you like the other folds, you're gonna like this one, but not for me this year. That's all. I do love the size of these things, and I love consuming media on them, but between the black bars and the fact they left the cameras mediocre, it's gonna be a hard pass this year.